Hi, I'm Stan March from Corporate Communications, and welcome to DistribuTech 2017. DistribuTech is the utility industry's leading trade show and exhibition around the transmission and distribution space. And as you might expect, there are companies across the sector here, hardware, software, you name it. Landis+Gyr is here, prominently located on the floor, and we have the opportunity to deliver a very specific message around a clear energy vision. Let's go learn a little bit more. Hi, I'm here with Prasanna Venkatesan. Prasanna is our Executive Vice President responsible for the Americas region. Prasanna, thanks for being here today.
Delighted to be here, Stan.
One of the things we hear a lot about is, the whole smart city, smart community theme, but there's also an underlying discussion about the utility of the future. What are you talking to our customers about?
I think the last 10 years in the U.S., I think we've seen a transformation from just giving infrastructure benefits through AMI. A lot has happened in the world of renewable energy. I think fundamental to this, the utilities want to pivot and position themselves for the future. Many of them are calling it the utility of the future. I want to simply just say Landis+Gyr is just trying to enable a digital utility of the future. And I think that's where the game is going to be played, because fundamentally we now have in most utilities a strong infrastructure that's being enabled by Landis+Gyr. On top of it, what we want our customers to do is enjoy all the benefits of our software, our applications and solutions that can take them from where they are today in providing rich benefits when it comes to a distributed energy resources world, and also to engage their consumers, which is what most of our booth is about this year.
Well, thank you very much, Prasanna. I'm here with Jim Richardson, Director of Business Development. Jim, thanks for taking time.
Glad to be here, Stan.
This week we announced as part of DistribuTech that we announced the launch of our Engage solution. What is the Engage solution?
Sure. Well, Engage is Landis+Gyr's consumer engagement platform. It includes a consumer engagement portal as well as a marketplace application. The Engage platform really has roots in behavioral sciences, so it encourages customers to get more engaged in utility products and services.
Analytics is a big theme here. There's entire breakout session tracks dedicated to it, all kinds of people talking about it. What is it that we're talking about here with analytics?
Yeah, you're right. It's everywhere. It's every booth has got a form of analytics. And I think one of the great things about our booth is that we're able to demonstrate real use cases that are actually in the market in production today.
Okay, so unlike a lot of people who are talking about it, we're actually delivering the product. And what are the trends then that we're hearing from the customers, things that they're looking for the next generation or the evolving feature set to have included?
Yeah, I think some of the main themes, I think where the industry's headed and where we're headed is an open platform. Having the ability to write your own apps on top of the application is a really, really important one. Also real-time analytics. We're seeing that a lot, we're hearing that a lot, and I think that's where you're going to see the industry taking it.
Okay, and just trying to understand, so we've got this that direction on the product-specific things. How about interest from the customer base? It's predominantly right now a North American-based product. Do you see interest globally in the analytics offering?
Yeah, I do. I think traditionally you would follow the AMI rollouts, and that's why you've seen North America has really kind of taken off. But now we're really starting to see this product gain a lot of traction in South America for reliability metrics, and also in Asia. One of our largest customers, TEPCO, has got a lot of interest as well.
The start of the focus of this event is the show floor itself. We're standing in the booth right now. But you've been moderating panels, and you're on the committee of content. Can you tell us about the other things that happen at DistribuTech?
Absolutely. In terms of conferences for utility professionals, this one is really targeted at the distribution utility and the folks that actually operate those distribution systems. So there are over 75 different sessions across 15 different tracks that make up DistribuTech. Landis+Gyr is the proud sponsor of the Internet of Things track, as well as Smart Cities, so we're excited to be part of that. Also, we are the sponsor of the Analytics track, so really keeping in line with the activities that we have in the marketplace for Landis+Gyr, bringing that to the utilities. This morning I had the opportunity to do an asset management session, and really the topic was all around how is it we can take the information we have gathered through our digital utility and utilize it to be more efficient.
So Richard, based on everything you see here and our experience, what do you look for Landis+Gyr to do in 2017?
Again, a great question. I would say more around the ecosystem of applications and devices, particularly at the edge. Let me talk first about the ecosystem. I mean, we firmly believe that the benefits of these grid systems, smart grid, whatever you want to call it, will require a lot of what I'll call special applications. a broad word, but specifically, how can we make sure that we understand the pain points of the utilities and address them through applications? We're developing a global head-end system architecture that can support a number of different applications. One in particular called VoltVar. A tremendous need from a customer's perspective. MDM, sort of meter data management, we would be able to work that into an application. So it's really the creativity in trying to nail down exactly what the utilities perceive as their pain points and address them in terms of some sort of application.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Richard.
Thank you.
We hope this video gives you some insight into Landis+Gyr's messages and capabilities at DistribuTech 2017. As you know, our company has been transforming the way energy is delivered and managed, and we'll continue to do that and be the leader in this space. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.